too. Here's what happened. Here's what's been going on. I'm back on the water. Ooh, that's a good fish too. While I'm messing around with y'all, fish. Ooh. No, I ain't either. So here's what's been going on. Let me say this. Here we go, here we go, here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days that end in Y. So, of course, that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Memorial Day weekend. This is Monday, Memorial Day. And I'm out here early trying to get some of these crappie before the recreational boaters get out here. But here's what's been happening with me. About this drone, I've been playing around with this drone trying to get some good aerial footage. And messing around with that drone is a lot of work to try and play with the drone and try and fish. So today, I played with the drone a little bit. I might put it back in there. I'm not even sure. But there's a little bit of anxiety because you don't want to lose your drone. But I'm trying to catch some of these. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them. Okay, that's another decent fish. She gonna make the cut. Oh yes you are, baby. Yes you are. Yes you are. Yes you are. So I'm fishing some emerged timber, and you know, this is one of my summertime spots. Let me check my water temperature. That fish gonna be about 10.5 inches. She ain't no shorter, but she gonna cook. She gonna be curly. When you put that grease on them, they turn to a curly. Oh, she been sitting there waiting on me. I'm trying to let this big old thing get away. I'm trying to let you go, baby. I'm trying to let her go, folks. I'm trying to let her go. Y'all done messed up now. We got a few fish. That's 3 right there off of this spot, and I got 1 already in the live well. I'm not fishing past 10 o'clock. Traffic gonna get to be too heavy, so I'm not gonna be out here for that. Water temperature is 79 degrees, 7:20 in the morning. Oh! I missed them. My bell wasn't closed. I don't know why I do that sometimes. I'll be forgetting to close my bell while I let the bait fall. Yep. Yep. Yep, 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 yep. Yep, 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 yep. We got some rain. God, if I get this fish. We got some rain coming in. Supposed to hit here about from 8 to 9 o'clock. That's what the radar shows. So I might get rained on. I did a video a little bit ago, same thing. Rain came in, ran right on through, and I just kept fishing. So we get to do that again, I'm okay with it. And that's because the fish don't mind getting a little bit wet. Ooh. No, she's small. She's small. She might be right at 10 inches, so I'm gonna throw her back. Might be right now. I think she might be short. I'm not gonna. When in doubt, I'm throwing them out. Get on out of here now. Get it. Okay, that's a catfish. I pulled a catfish off of a tree, folks. And I pulled a catfish off of a tree. Or hybrid. I see catfish. It feels like a catfish. It's a catfish. Yeah, I done pulled a catfish off of a tree. I done pulled this catfish off the tree. Come here, you. There we go. Fat belly and everything. That's a nice catfish, but we don't do kitties, so get off of my boat! She gonna make it. We gonna make you stink the grease too, baby. Nice fish. That's another nice one. So let me show you, that's another 10.5-inch fish. Let me show you what I'm fishing with today. The other bait that I was using earlier, both of them are Crappie Baits by CMI, but this one's a little bit different color. I forget what the other one is, and I was trying to find it in my box, but I don't know that I got another one. But again, that's another one of those Crappie Baits by CMI. Ain't good as you hit, but you gonna make it. She gonna, I don't know. She gonna look bad on the cutting board, so we throwing you back. Swing 'em. So folks, while we doing this, now will be just as good a time as any to tell you all thanks for watching. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to this channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos. Let's put some more fish in the boat. She gonna make it. Decent day out here, today, folks. Been a while since I just did some recording. I really do want to put that drone back in the air, but it's just something else I got to worry about. Come here, you. Come here. Get my 15 and go home, folks. Might not have to stay out here till 10. I got a shimmy on that one. Got a shimmy on that one. I thought it was a fish for real. It was a big one too. God dog it. I tried to let her get away, folks. I tried to let her get away. Messing around with the bail again. Caught you with my bail open, baby. But guess what? You held on long enough. Check out that sky. Look at that sky. It done got dark. It ain't raining, but it's getting windy. That little drizzle, I felt just a little wet right there. See blue skies over here right behind us, so I might just wait this out too. Okay, it's coming for real now. It's coming all around me. Look at that rain. Y'all can watch it come in. Time for me to get out of here. It's here, folks. It's here. Let me go ahead and crank up and get on up out of here. So, yep. It's here now. Oh, wait a minute now. Hold on, folks. There are blue skies out there. I might stick around a little while. Look at them blue skies. Ooh, another good one, y'all. Ooh, that's another good one. Come here. Safety, just to be safe than sorry. All right. They still rolling on me. They still biting. I'm gonna keep fishing. I do want to get out the water though. It's hard to turn them around. It's hard to leave when they bite like this, when the big girls bite like this. The lady dries duck out somewhere she want to be. She want me to go with her, so probably better go home soon, so that I can make sure I don't get in trouble and come back and not be able to come back and be on punishment. Big as the other ones, but she good. She gonna make the cut. 10.5, 11 inches. Yep. See if you roll out of there, come and get it. That's another one I should have netted. I got her. Hey y'all. Hey folks. I'm gonna say thank y'all again for watching. It's raining all around me. It ain't bad, but I'm gonna just deal with it. Let's take a look at what this live well looks like. These are dishes. The fish didn't mind getting wet today, folks. I probably got about 20 fish now, 25. Might as well go for the limit. And I turned my water off my live well. Check them out. About 20. She gonna make it too. Let me get the next one. She gonna make it too. That's a decent fish. She was suspended over this open water, over the timber, not in it. She was in on top of it. Oh, come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. All right, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Now I'm gonna wrap it up at my dock. So here we go. There's another Shirley. We got a bunch of Shirleys in there today. I got some cleaning to do. Hey, Lucy, I got some cleaning to do. Another big old fat fish. £1.5 and a quarter. Fillets up nicely. That bad weather kept the recreationals off. It is 10:30. It's 10:30 in the morning, and it has not been much boat traffic at all. So, thank you, Lord, for the rain. Thank you, Lord, for the rain and keeping them off, so I can enjoy myself. I hope they enjoy the lake the rest of the day. another keeper. Ain't nothing special about it, but she gonna fry. In fact, I'm gonna check this. I'm gonna calibrate this one just to make sure. Again, they look small when you catch a shirley. Another good fish. She's another good fish. She's another good fish. There y'all go. Well, all right, YouTube. I got off the water. It's getting sunny. It's warming up, and that just means that the recreationals will probably be headed out soon. But it is just before. It's about 11:30 now. 11:38. I had a good morning of fishing. I don't know how many fish I got in there, but I got enough. I got more than I want to clean. How about that? You know, I really only like to clean 15 fish. After I get to 15 fish, I'm tired. I'm gonna pull a couple of these shirleys out of here for y'all. That's one. And a couple of them right there. She's a nice fish. Might not be a shirley, but nice. I didn't even count them. That's another big one. There are a few more down in here. I'm not gonna pull them all out. But folks, as always, thank y'all so much for watching. As always, I appreciate everybody who watches this channel. Everybody who hits that like button, especially those who leave my comments. I try my best to respond to all of the comments. And a special thank you, shout out to my subscribers. You already know what it is, my long-term subscribers. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across my channel and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these big shirleys. Evil, but sure enough tasty crappie. So folks, until the next time, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.